Namaskar, friends. You know that I have requested all the astrologers to not to make any prediction on the corona, and there was a very valid reason behind this because it affects the collective consciousness. However, not only one astrologer, not only thousands, lakhs and lakhs, millions of astrologers are making prediction of all types. They are making daily predictions without understanding the logic behind that, without going through the scriptures and having compared by our clients, patrons who are incessantly sending emails and phone calls to us. I have been compelled to come and say something about the corona. But before saying anything about the corona, I want to say that corona is not the biggest calamity before the humanity. Till now, on this date, when in the night of 10th May 2020, I am sitting and recording this video, the death toll of corona in India is 2109. Only 2109. And before corona came, the daily road accident deaths in India was 400. So whatever may be the count of deaths from corona, it was equal to what used to happen on the roads of India only on 5 days. Death due to road accidents for 5 days in India is equal to total death till date from corona in India. So it's my humble opinion that corona is not the biggest calamity. Some bigger things are gaping, are eyeing us. Just go through my another video posted only today regarding possibility of Third World War. I am going to post another very eye-opening video on the condition of economy, what is going to happen in future. Go through them. They will open your eyes. And honoring the request made by our patrons and known persons regarding corona, I want to quote one sloka from Parashar Samhita by the great seer Parashara. The sloka is Ekam Nachatra Masadya Drishyate Yugpadyadi Anyonya Bhedam Jani Yatrada Purnivasina. The simple meaning of this sloka is that when Jupiter and Saturn are in one star or one nakshatra, then a lot of tension prevails in the citizens. And this sloka is applicable not only in India, it is applicable on the whole world. And see how as a human we are behaving. In America, in India, in Europe, in each and every country, we are behaving like beasts. In America, people are buying like ammunition, like anything. And in India, what is happening, you can know. The hatred and vicious atmosphere is like anything. And whenever this phenomena of Jupiter and Saturn had happened, every time some calamity had occurred. This time it is corona, sometimes it's another thing, sometimes another thing, and you can check and vouch the same with the data available with us. We have done a lot of research in this regard. And this thing not to that extent, but it was alerted by all the major astrologers for this period. Yes, we were not very specific about the corona, but everyone was knowing that something negative is going to happen. So, and this Jupiter and Saturn are in same nakshatra or star Uttarashadha from 8th March to 26th July. You can check how the atmosphere has become vicious 8th March onwards. And how even our media or even our news channels are throwing garbage, all type of garbage on us, or in our brains, in all our senses are grasping that garbage. So dear friends, do not have any hope up to 26th July. But the biggest lesson of astrology is that you can keep your senses. Use your senses. Do not overreact on anything. Whenever anything is presented to you, any news, any rumor, just check whether it is true, whether it is beneficial for you, whether it is beneficial for world at large. Do not spread anything which you know that this is not reliable. So dear friends, there is no hope up to 26 July. Lockdowns may open. Lockdowns may open. With the end of May, you will see a lot of opening of lockdowns. But the corona will continue to create havoc in the life of humans. But that havoc is very small when compared to other havocs in the life of humanity. Just go through the rate of suicides in humanity, rate of road accidents, road of drowning. 83 people die daily due to drowning in India only. So corona is not a big issue, but since it was insisted that I should make a prediction, I have made a prediction that up to 26 July there is no hope, there is no relief from the crisis of corona. Namaskar. Thank you.